Hey everyone, it's Kyle with GreatVacs. Are you having a hard time replacing one of your Kirby's rear wheels? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how it's done. So stay tuned. All right, the only tools you're going to need for this video or how-to is going to be a handy-dandy flathead screwdriver and C-clip or snap ring pliers. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to disassemble your Kirby down to the main body. You can keep the power head on if you want. And then you want to grab the wheel that you're going to need. Then grab your flathead screwdriver, and on the back side there's going to be these little notches. This is for the flathead to go through and pop the hubcap off. So you got to do is press it in and then just pull the hubcap off. Once you got the hubcap off, you want to grab your snap ring pliers. If you don't have snap ring pliers, a small hook, or if you're super accurate with some needle nose pliers, those will work too. But if you have snap ring pliers, it's going to make this job a lot easier. So you got to do is find the little C-clip, get the snap ring pliers in there, and then push together and pull it off. There's a little snap ring. Once the snap ring's off, go ahead and just pull your wheel off. Then get your new wheel, put it on. Push it on all the way. And then get your little snap ring. Put the snap ring pliers through the holes. Pull together on the handles. You want to stretch it and then put it over, let go, pull them off, and your wheel's on. So it's pretty easy. It's a lot easier if you have the snap ring pliers. If you don't, they're a couple bucks at a hardware store, or if you can use those pliers or a hook, that'll get the job done as well, but these will make it a lot easier. Then once your wheel's back on, go ahead and take your hubcap, snap it on, and you're done. All right, that's gonna be it for this how-to video. Hopefully it was helpful and you guys were able to get your rear wheels replaced. If you need any extra assistance, you know what to do. Send us an email at service@greatvacs.com. If you guys need parts or supplies, or you're in the market for a new refurbished Kirby, send us an email or visit our website. If you guys have any recommendations for videos, leave them down in the comments or send us an email and I'll get to them. That's about it, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.